Do you ever get frustrated with calculus and fear of failing? Do the people around you not understand either?
How the heck is a derivative, even if it is a function of a real variable, measures the sensitivity to change the function value with respect to a change in its argument? Is this English?
Aren't integrals the opposite of derivatives? An integral is a function that reverses what the derivative does, but I still don't understand how they work.
I need help on limits. SMH. A limit is a value that a function or sequence approaches as an input or an index approaches some value.
Is this English?
Do you ever cry because of all the ETs and you need the emotional support?
I'm going to fail my calculus test today. I don't even know what's happening in that class. You said you could help me pass my test? Okay, bye! It's more messengers. One page. How are you gonna tell me? Guess what? A dog came to my house yesterday and told me I was gonna pass the quiz.
A dog came into my house too.
Are you freaking kidding me? You're gonna pass the quiz.
It'll come in the mail.
In the mail.
Calculus, the branch of mathematics that deals with the finding and properties of derivatives and integrals of functions, by methods originally based on the summation of infinite differences. Two main types of differential calculus and integral calculus, aka very hard to comprehend all at once. Calculus is used for the language of engineers, scientists, and economists.
For example, you have the ability to find the rate at which how fast it will take for a paper ball to hit your classmate across Miss Taylor's room.
No, it's B7. She goes to school for I wouldn't have wasted my time. What? What? That's number 3 and 4. That's gonna be my part where I'm explaining the whole project.
For this first equation, you are finding the integral. So first off, you want to start by finding each antiderivative for every term by adding 1 to each exponent and putting the exponent plus 1 over each term and adding c at the end if you don't have any given variables or limits, and it will come out to 4x to the fourth over 4 minus 6x squared over 2 plus 7x plus c, simplified to x to the fourth minus 3x squared plus 7x plus c. Using the chain rule, I brought down the a and multiplying that by the quantity inside the parentheses to the 7th power and finding the derivative, which was 12x cubed minus 4x, and finding it out to be 8 to the quantity of 12x cubed minus 4x to the quantity of 3x to the fourth minus 2x to the 7th power. This last problem uses the product rule, where I like to take two different quantities, quantity A and B, where quantity A is 2x plus 3 and quantity B is 1 plus square root x, where I simplify square root x to x to the 1/2. For this, I take A, multiply that by the derivative of B, and add that to B times the derivative of A, and the final answer I would get would be 2x plus 3 over 2 square root x, and added to the quantity of 2 plus 2 square root x.
You're not taking the quiz?
I don't know how.
You need a Calc dog. Can you turn my nose?
This is the face of someone who should have ordered a Calc dog before her test. This can be you if you adopt a Calc dog for only $9.99.
$9.99, you are provided with love and affection and help on your homework, ETs, and more. If you take the dog to school, you can get help on quizzes and tests, but possibly get your dog taken away and locked up in the tennis courts. Disclaimer: Calc dogs do not come with food, treats, drinks, or water. We are not responsible for any injury, bites, or allergic reactions. Shots possibly needed for the possibilities of rabies or tapeworm. Dogs may need a haircut over summer break. Guaranteed warranty if dogs need more training in the study of calculus.
You know, a lot of girls be thinking my songs are about them, but this is not to get confused. This one's for you. Baby, you my everything. You all I ever wanted. We could do it real big.
Be like, even Michael Jackson did calculus and didn't know how. Be like, what's the calculator?
Oh wait, no. You told me to close it.
Alright, no more.
I know I passed.
Are you gonna take the quiz?
No.
Don't look at me! Don't look.
Dude, that's a cut.
No?
You didn't throw the
That's a blooper.
You didn't record. You didn't throw your paper. But you didn't even record. Were you recording? Because that would have been nice. Because I was crying.
Dude, yeah, record.
Because of throw your paper.
Lumina, you want to help me on calculus?
Let's see what these doggies do.
Let's see what these doggies do. That was hella funny. You just read it. Let's see what these doggies do.
Okay, go.
What is Danica?
Changing its argument. Is this English? Adopt the Calc dog for $9.99.